Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday morning, 29th of April. We're going to do some, I got to set up my YouTube channel, then we got to get TikTok live. And then I'll get into the calls I made yesterday that came true. Thank God, yet again. And then whatever question you guys got, I got to be done in about an hour. Got a nice little thing for you next few days. All right, I think we're all set on YouTube. Let's head over to TikTok.
You don't think they understand?
Morning, everybody on YouTube. Morning, everybody on TikTok. Sell stops on the indices. US 30, NAS, and SPX to the 30-second blue lines already came true once, and now it's come true twice. You can hold those until what in the world am I watching? There we go. All right, let's see where we're at. Anybody on TikTok? Anybody on YouTube? I got to get my treadmill going. All right, looks like there's some people on YouTube and TikTok. Good morning, Peter P. What's up, Peter P? Thank you, Peter, heading over to TikTok. Good morning, Jay Williams. Good morning, Mr. C. What just oh, my pen. Good morning. Who do we got? Bluefish. Thank you for being on both. Peter. Good morning, Shocking Life. Good morning, Jules. Good morning, Flight 379. Good morning, Jay Parker. Good morning, Maros. Good morning, Casey. Good morning, Johan. Good morning, Johanna Webley. Good morning, Maxwell. All right. A few people here. We're going to make some money. Where the hell's my arrows? Oh, I had to turn that off last night. I forgot. This is what I'm talking about. I called this out last night. Wrote it out, actually, too. Already turned red. NAS, 30-second sell stop back to its blue line. NAS, SPX, 1 minute sell stops for their blue lines. Then, later today, buy stops, all three indices, until you see US 30 hit its 1 hour blue line. I am in a few trades. This is an oil one from the other day. These are from a couple days ago when I first told you to do the buys. And that oil one flip around. Okay, those are those trades. Let's get over to here. Let's get over to here. This is what I wrote in the tiers last night for you guys. Oh, you know what? Tier 3 never received that signal. Oh, any rate, it's not too late. I'll send it now. Shit. There we go. Anywho, signal sent out to tier 1 and tier 2. All three indices in profit. 1, 5, and 10-minute buy stops. These are just OG buy stops, not called by Hydra. I called them in the above post. Don't worry, this is a true up. Hydra will start calling out buy stops soon. Please close down one order and let one order run. Please keep following my above trade guidelines. Take any future buys until US 30 hits 1 hour blue line. Or if you prefer, this is what I'm talking about. So I wrote it out. All came true. Those buys are still going to come more true. Oh, shoot, fire. Hold on. Please understand this is a legally protected trading system. Oh, you did get it? Oh, cool, Jay Parker. Thank you. Good morning, D Nice. Morning, Shuki SEO. Good morning, Andrew. Good morning, Eric. Good morning, Joanne D3. All right, this is the only, as far as I'm aware, trademarked, patent pending, and NDA protected trading system in the world with a Class 41 trademark from the United States of America. Means we're legally protected in over 80 countries. We've only had to go after one person, a lady in Chicago. We won. She lost. We won 10 times damages. So if anyone tries to steal this or sell signals or anything, we will sue you. Please type yes if you understand that, and type yes if you understand that I am not a financial advisor. I am a social media influencer. Please type yes. Good morning, Shannon. Great morning to you too. God bless you all. Good morning, John. Good morning, Jason. All right, now that shit's out of the way, we'll get more into those trades I called a little later. Look at that shit. Ooh-wee. I'm going to go ahead and say you're in the money from that 30-second sell stop I told you just to do just a few seconds ago. Make sure you're only trading demos. See the Yep. Pass this blue line in the 30-second. Hell. Where the hell is this blue line? Oh, jeez. Yeah. And then NAS. And then now it'll be, all right. First to pass through was US 30, then SPX, and now NAS. Surprisingly, NAS is the last. That's cool. And there you go. All right. We're off to the race. Let's make some call outs. Let's go. Gold. No. Let's start with ERUSD. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, a much better trade. 15-minute buy stop, EURUSD. It's all you need to know. Ethereum. 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 Buy stop on Ethereum. All time frames, play any buy stop until Ethereum goes over 4,500 monthly. XRP, buy stop monthly until XRP goes past $1.18, more likely $1.50 buy stop on all. Let me check a little lower time frames for you though. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop, 15-minute, 1 hour sell stop, monthly buy stop, XRP. Bitcoin. Told you about Bitcoin over a year ago. On March 8th, I called it to go over 70,000. I refused to call it if you didn't listen to me then. I called it out every day, every month, every week for over a year to go over 70,000. You guys didn't listen to me on that. I'm not calling any more Bitcoin. US 30, I just called out. SPX, I just called out. I'll go over that in detail. NAS already just called out. Gold. 1 minute sell on gold, but 5 minute buy, much better. That's all you need to know on gold. Oil. 1 minute buy. Oil. for 1 hour buy. That's all you need to know. UDSHF's been called out. It's opposite of ERUSD. All done. Let's go back to here now. Oh, look at NAS. Go down to pass this blue line. Look at it go. Watch it turn to red before your very eyes. Watch it turn to red. It should be turned to red. Hold on. Isn't it below it? Ho, ho, ho. Now, these are 30-second sells. Don't get crazy. Why is it not? Yo. Yo. Ah, that should have flipped. Anywho, you're in the money on the sell on NAS, 30-second NAS I just called. Don't stay in it forever, for the love of God. Good morning, Jam. Fly this guy, Flyowski. Let's go take a look at this again. This is the H&H scanner. This is a free scanner upgrade from Bree and I, coded by Keith. For you guys, we gave it to you free. If you're in the Sniper, you have it on your charts, which is amazing. There it is. There it is. Who called it? Buy the system. Buy the system, and you too can see what's going to happen before it happens. Look at it. There she blows. Oh, look, now it's back up again. See? It's going to keep going. And then sell stops, all three indices, but more importantly, buy stops after that until the 1 hour US 30 blue line changes the green. Look at the shit. Buy the system. So this scanner, which is scanning US 30 NAS and SPX towards this blue line. If it goes under it, it's red. If it's above it, it's blue. Why do we do that? Because they all trade in unison. Woo! How awesome was that? There you go. There she blows. Told you. And the night of Aquarius. The night of Aquarius. Told you to do this in writing in the Discord. Tier 1, Tier 2, and evidently Tier 3. All three indices are in profit, which they are on the buys. Please let one run, blah, blah, blah. If you prefer a short-term trade, look for the 30-second H&H scanner to change from green to red. So let me be clear. When I wrote this, all of these were green. All of these were green. Computer pieces, I love the H&H, absolutely. US 30 from green to red, any and two of them, and then trade the third sell stop. You can hold that trade until all three indices, 1 minute turns red. That should happen before 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. Could I be any more fucking specific? What's up, Bluefish? Good morning. Oh, what do you need to do? Watch some of my YouTube videos, catch my lives, make sure it's something you want to do, ask some questions on my lives, and then when you're comfortable and after you've watched them, go back and watch. I have a YouTube channel. Where are you at? Yeah. Head over to my YouTube channel. God, you're new. Please, Bluefish. What you do, I wasted 5.5 years of my life trying to learn support and resistance and all this bullshit that comes with trading. Don't. You're new. Just the best thing in the world. Just learn my system. Please, for the love of God, Bluefish, just take your time. No rush. Go over to my YouTube channel right here. I have the safety trade. I'm so proud. I'm almost at 4,000 subscriber, guys. Oh my gosh. We have 540 videos, but technically you have 1,000 more videos on top of that. I was just too lazy to put the disclaimer on it. So at any rate, I've been on YouTube trading live for 1.5 years now. TikTok, I've been trading live for over 1 year. Please, just watch some of these and maybe get a little feel for it. And then, this is the live. Robel says buy system. Thank you, Robel. I agree with that. And then buy the system. Best thing is to be, I know it is, Pete, he doesn't know how lucky he is. Bluefish, you can save yourself so much heartache. I lost for 5.5 years, $26,500 trying to trade the old-fashioned. That's all I can tell you. Trying to change the old-fashioned way. Support and resistance. Look to the left. Ascending and descending wedges. All that BS does not work. Okay. So, and then go over to here. When you're ready, thesafetytrade.com, type this in, and then spend your $575 for the year. You can read about it over there too. Email alerts. If you, I don't recommend the one. The groups are so small these days. I wouldn't spend extra money on that. And that's how you get started. Watch some YouTube videos. Sure do. And then go over to safetytrade.com. Buy that. Yes, Bluefish. I'm live every day. Well, Monday through Fridays, and on vacations to Vegas for a couple months, Biloxi for a week, Hawaii for a week. Yeah, most days for a year and a half I've been on live. Jay Park says it's the only system that works. I agree with Jay Parker. He's right. But get comfortable with it. Me. Pay attention. You know, just don't rush into anything. Okay? Please. And you can just pop around. And then buy, okay? That's my suggestion to you. Yeah, I would sign up for the alerts on YouTube because they always, whenever I go live, the alerts from YouTube. Subscribe to my channel on YouTube, get the alerts, and then pay. Look at it go below. Look at it go below. Who called this live? Who called the trade live before when this was all green last night? I called it. I sent out an email to y'all guys in the signal rooms. There it is. This little thing was green a second ago, Bluefish, and now it's red. That means it was a correct call and we made money. Look at it. Look at it. Who called this? Once, twice, boom. Good morning, Tom Walters. Yes, Maros, I can show you that. I just did show you that. Literally, sniper entry. Sniper rules to the blue line. Right to the entry. This is an add-on Bluefish for $150 a month. I am going to need no, you don't need a stockbroker. Oh my God. Don't get a stock. Well, you do whatever you want. You'll know more about trading here in just a few minutes than any stockbroker, any financial advisor. But I am not a financial advisor, so you do what you want to do in your life. Stockbroker. We have stockbrokers, many who have purchased this system. Let me tell you that. Many. Out of the thousands of purchases, there's many financial advisors, stockbrokers, people sitting at the German stock exchange, people sitting on the well, they call them chairs now, but in New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, you do what you want. Okay, I'm done with him. Okay, so how do we do scalping trades? Sure. Let's take a look at da 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 da. Da, 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 da. We're going to look at na, 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 na. We're going to look at how to use the scalping, how to use a sniper for scalping trades. You can't get any more snipering than 30 second or scalping more than 30 second. Technically, you can do 15 second, but we're going to stick with 30s. All right. Yes, you can buy direct Bluefish. Absolutely. As I just told you what to do. If you want to buy it direct, head over to thesafetytrade.com. That's how you buy it direct. I hold your hand. I walk you through things. You get a live one-on-one with me. A one-on-one? You get a live small group class with me. Hold on. And then you get a type form. Everything's held out for you. Trust me, you're in a blessed position to be what you are. All right. Everybody on earth, everyone that's scamming, everyone that's actually paid for the system, what is this right here? Buy stop, sell stop, or nothing. Everyone that has the system or been scamming, what's inside this white rectangle right here? What is this? And it's not just the sell stop. It's a sell stop with a broken block, which we'll get into too. It's not a sell, Maros. It's a sell stop. Correct, Jan. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Correct, Mr. C. This is sell stop. So how do you know that this is the correct sell stop? Well, watch. I'll teach you. I'm going to teach you how to trade in about 3 to 5 minutes. Watch. And here's another 5-minute one actually over here. Correct, John. 1 is the blue line high. 2, did the blue line rise up? 3, did the pink line come with it? 4, is there a sell stop? This is how you use a sniper for scalping. You wait for the 3-minute or the 1-minute to drop down flat on the blue line. Wait then for the peak. This is the order of importance, by the way. Let me be clear. These sell stops is the most important. This is the most important. That's why it's number 1. Morning, Sabi. Okay. 2, did the blue line come up against it? If you can do colors, blue fish, you can trade. 3, did the pink come up with it? Yes. 4, is there a sell stop? Red, 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 green with the broken block. Broken means at this point right here, you can clearly see that this is green, this stayed red. This is green, this stayed red. When you see this scenario, let me be clear. When you see this scenario, gonna be the life of Aquarius. Broken. Bach equals 1 million yeses to take trade. So when you see this, you can know with confidence. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Let me go over here. Okay. That's how powerful that broken Bach is. A lot of you still don't understand that, but that's the reality of it. Unbelievably important when you see that. Da, 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 da. And that's how you scalp. Yes. So the Hydra is something totally different. I'll get to that in a second, Saudi. Maros, do you understand that? All right. Then you look for this on any setup. This could be on oil, NAS, SPX, EURUSD, GBP, JPY. Anytime buy stops. Look at it here. It's the opposite. Blue line high, pink line low, blue line low, buy stops. This is GBP, JPY. Now you're going up with buys. Doesn't matter if this is a sell right here. This is creating these short-term buys that are creating the longer-term sells, which answers Sabi's thing. Now, the only thing I say, Maros, is you should understand that if you haven't had your training yet, be patient till you get your training. And then you should know the answer to what you asked, but I'll go over it again. What's up, JSMB1? So that's it. The opposites for buys. Now to answer, who was it? Sabi. US 30 call. Don't you? You must be new too. I'm assuming you both are new, so I'm going to cut you all some slack. Sabi, are you new? Maros, are you new? Because to ask these questions is, whatever. That's fine. All right. So let's go ahead. And he's asking, how can the blue line scanner, which concerns me all the fucking hell, in the Discord, I literally sent out an alert telling you to the trade. I already went over it this morning. If you prefer a shorter term trade, look for the 30-second, blah, 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 sell stop on any two of them. Just made money on that trade if you were to listen to it. Oh, God. Okay, here we go. This is how simple it is, and you guys are overcoming this world. It's so easy around. You need to know. Yesterday, when we brought this up, when BlackRock and Vanguard and the other money makers brought the trade up yesterday, all day long you saw the sniper green. All day long. Overnight, when they do that, they drop it 8 out of 10 times. They'll drop it down. Genius. I just have common sense and understand the concept. If this stays green for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours, well, then that night, you're going to change it to red. See it coming back up? Buy stop then. So what happens is, so we're clear. Who asked that? Sabi. They have to do these sells down. They have to move it down on the lower time frames, 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, and 5 minutes. Create the 10-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute buy stops. Does everybody got sevens if you all understand that? Nines if you don't. They have to move things down to create the 30-minute, 1 hour buy stops. It's the only way you can create them. Am I just missing something? They have to create these. They have to bring it down to create it. So he's acting as if there's some kind of misread or something on Hydra. Hydra trades better than 99% of all traders in the fucking world, probably 99.9%. It's not going to make a mistake. It has to do this. So weird to me. What's up, Quentin? What's up? Thank you, Harold, so you understand. All right. Is there anyone out there who doesn't understand that these sells on the 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minutes create the 15-minute, 1 hours? Evening? Well, morning to us, but yes, sir. I only have a half more hour, by the way. Does anyone not understand that? It has to go down to create the higher time. Where the fuck did he go? Why is he not answering my questions? I'm kicking him out. Where is he? Maros. No. Savvy. Tell me if you understand what I'm saying, yes or no, or I'm going to put you in timeout from this channel. You ask a question, you need to respond when I freaking respond to you. Not you, Maro, sorry. But do you understand that too? You have to have short-term sells for long-term buys. I mean, there's no other way to create a buy stop unless it goes down against the grain. All right. I don't know where he went. All right, Sabi. Answer me now, or I'm putting him in timeout anyways. Go. Be as a da-da-da. You can't come on here, ask a question, I answer it, and you don't respond. That's fucking not acceptable. Let me be clear. I'll help you guys out the best I can. The call was at 4 a.m. yet waiting for 3 hours to get to the bus. Sabi, okay, you're not even answering my question, Sabi. Do you understand what I said? And now you're acting like a complete silly person. It took 3 hours. Do you not even understand that it could take a day? It could take 2 days for a trade to happen. Look at your rules. Wow. This guy, I might have to have handle something on this one. Like 3 hours is a long time for a trade to form. Sabi, you're not answering my questions. I'm going to ignore you from this point forward rather than block you. I'm going to be as nice as possible. Then I'm going to talk to Bree about you, and then we'll handle the situation at that point. Wow. You don't answer one question I'm asking you. This is a... Does everybody understand what's happening? He comes on here, asks a question, I answer it. If he does not answer me, I'm not supposed to, how do I word it? Handle the situation. The old me would have already taken him out, kicked him out of everything, and threw him away. I'm trying to be calm and nice about this because this is embarrassing. I'm asking him if he understands that the smaller time frames have to go down to form the higher time frame buy stops. And he has not even answered the question. 7 if you understand that, Sabi. 9 if you don't. I'll make it so you just put numbers up. This is weird. It's like I'm in a Twilight Zone. You ask a direct question, you don't even get an answer. Wow. I don't know. I try to help each and every one of you, but sometimes you guys make it hard. Yes, Coach. Okay. There. Yay, Sabi. Yay. All right. Now, there's any possibility they can call it? Yes, there will be. Thank you, Jason Roby. Trades can take days sometimes to form and start. The higher time frames, the longer it takes. Correct fucking Jason Roby. Jason Roby. Right, Bree? You just won a $50 gift card. Send a nicely worded email to the Safety Trade System, the Forex Safety Trade System at gmail.com, and you get an Amazon gift card, Amazon only. Congratulations, Jason. Can't have one without the ollie. So yes, Savi. It gives us alerts as it's heading into the buy stop. Go to your rules to read them over. You're correct, Andrew. Short-term sells for long-term buys. And it's the opposite if it's a sell. It'll be short-term buys for long-term sells. Correct. Is there any way the Hydra can tell us? Yes. Let's go over how the Hydra can tell you something. I'm going to show you this. Watch. I'm going to show you something. Here we go. I'm going to show you how we'll use gold as our example. This is what you guys should only be trading right now anyways, is these time frames. So let's go to it. Watch. I'm going to show you. Watch this, guys. Watch how stunningly simple and easy this is to do. Can it tell you? Can it tell you? Oh, boy. Gee, I don't know. I don't know if it can tell you. Let's see. Here it is. Okay. So here's our little routine. High, 1, low, 2. Doesn't just work on scalping, by the way, whoever asked that. 3, you have the pull down right here, the blue. And then 4 is their buy stops. Okay. Now, this is how the Hydra works, to be clear. You should only have 2 charts open, Sabi. The daily on the left and the hourly on the right. Daily on the left, hourly on the right. You look inside of here, Savi, and tell me if Hydra doesn't tell you when to get into the trade. Every one of these lines is a buy stop. The last time I counted one of these was like 15, and then one time was 20. So between 15 and 20, Hydra telling you on the 1 hour. These are all made up of 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour buys. Okay? So you must not have been watching any of the last 4 or 5 videos I did on Hydra. Look, it gives you an early warning. You could take the trade if you want. Daily 4-hour buy. Sure, it went up. If you don't want to do that or you miss that, you wait for this formation and then it calls it out 20 fucking times for you to take it. Is there any way for Hydra to call out a buy stop? The answer is a freaking 100% times 20 times. It's a yes, 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 and a yes. And then times that by 2. Does it call it out? Everybody, Yes or no, does the Hydra call it out on the daily 1 hour 15 to 20 times? We call that a machine gun trade. Everybody answer the question, or I'll just cut this off easy and I'm done. I don't need to be here anyways, I guess. Oh, look. Yes or no? That oil buy I told you about and traded was negative a minute ago. Now it's in the money. God, the fuck am I doing around 60 cents up? Got to start somewhere with those. Thank you, Marty. Thank you. Thank you, Peter. Thank you, Harold. I mean, come on. Fucking cool. Let's whip through every one of these and see the exact same thing or not. So this is one. Let's go backwards in time, shall we? I'll go backwards to here and I'll show you the exact same pattern. Look, wait for it to flip. Now look at it. Here's your machine gun. Pop, 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 pop. Look, here it is down here. 1, pink line low. 3, blue line came down. 4, there's buy stops, and there's a machine gun of them. Thank you, Joanna Webley. Look at it. Forming our logo over here. Look at it. Does it do it just on gold? It does it on gold till 1970. 54 years it does it on gold. Let me be clear. Use them for 54 years. It does it on gold. I don't think so. Does it do it on oil? It does buys. It does sells. It doesn't matter. Look, here's a sell. Blue line low, line high. Blue line came up. Are there sell stops? All the fuck over the place. Look right here. There's your machine guns. Pop, 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 pop. It does it on sells on oil, buys on oil, sells on gold, buys on gold. It works on everything. When we get the machine gun scanner done, which means we're going to be able to give you a heads up alert on over 50 different symbols. I'm telling you, all these different symbols you're going to get alert on for free from Bree and I for free, and upgrade yet again, coded through the great Keith Palmer. Look at them. All these symbols you're going to get an alert on. They're all going to tell you before one of these sell stops happens, before one of the buys. Right now, you manually have to do it. Okay? Look at this. Does it call it ahead of time? Fuck yeah. Does it tell you when again? Fuck yes, it does. Look at US 30. You want to see something? Let's take a look at US 30. Let's go over here. Rules are 1, blue line up. 2, pink line came down. 3, blue line down. 4, there's buy stops. Watch. Just watch. This is your 4-hour daily right here. We come over to the actual movement. Well, actually, you could have caught the first movement too. You come over to the actual movement right here. There it is. There's your machine. So yes, it gives you 15 to 20 buy stops before it moves up. Not just 1, 10, 15, 20. I showed you on gold buy, oil sell, US 30 buy. We can go to NAS. Same fucking thing. 1, 2, 3. Look at it. Same area because they all do the same thing, by the way. Look. Over and over. I love this. Go ahead and question whatever. That's awesome. Same setup. Look at your machine guns. There's the daily 4-hour first. If you miss it, there's the thing. That's NAS. Showed you on gold, oil, NAS, US 30, SPX. Same thing. Here's another one. There's your 4 call. There's your movement with the machine guns right here. And then we have a scanner to even make it even easier. So each one of you will have a silver spoon. Fuck that. You'll have a gold spoon shoved in your mouth, telling you what trades to take on 50 different symbols. And if you fuck that up, I can't help you. What more am I supposed to do for you people? Cracks me the fuck up. Here's ERUSD. Let's go over to here. ERUSD. Up. 1. Blue line. 2. Low. Comes down. Let's see if there's any machine gun We have to go to the actual thing. That's it right here. There's the ERUSD. Oh, does it ever work on a sell? I just showed you it worked on a sell, but let's do it again. Here's the first time on a sell. Blue line low, pink line high, opposite, sell. See right here, look at it. Boom, 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 boom. There's your sells, 10, 15 of them, telling you it's going to go down. But is that enough? Is that enough for you? So many people can't even trade that shit. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. What the fuck am I supposed to do? I can only make trading so easy. And then eventually, you guys got to do something on your own. God, I gave you a system that's color-coded. It wasn't good enough. Then I gave you the sniper, which was the most perfect thing on earth. It wasn't good enough. Then I gave you signals, and they weren't clear enough. Now I'm giving you a fucking machine gun trade where it's going to tell you 10 to 15 to 20 fucking times when to get in a trade. And I'm sure that won't be good enough. But I'm done. I'm going to be going to Hawaii. I'll be going to Italy. I'm going to be having fun. I can only do so much for you people. I'm done. If you can't trade when you see 5, 10, 15, 20 fucking signals telling you to sell, and you still can't make this trade, I wash my hands of you. Good morning, Larry Cooper. You caught me in a tirade. Wow. Does it work on gold like that? Yes. Showed you. Oil. Yes. Buy, sells, US 30, SPX, NAS, ERUSD. Does it work on GBP, JPY? Yeah. Yeah, it does. It works on fucking everything. 1, blue line high. 2, pink line is going to be a buy. 3, buy stops. Yes. Come over to here then. Let's see where they are. Look, there they are. Pop, 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 pop. We're going to give you a scanner for free. A scanner for free for tier 1, tier 2, 3. Tier 3 will have it on their charts, obviously, but tier 1, tier 2 would be in your code. And then you're going to get an alert. Look at it. Wow. I don't know what more I can possibly do to help you all trade. I mean, I kept thinking, oh, it's color coded. Green, 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 red, green, green. They'll understand. You didn't. Some of you did. I'd say about 1/3 of you lose money with 1/3 of you break even. These are the normal odds. These aren't my actual. These are just typical. 1/3 of you lose money. Yes, it works. Yes. What's up, Xavier Max? Absolutely, it works for trading futures. Your futures are nothing but SPX. They have different names for them. My brother uses futures when he does his funded account. Mike, my brother, has, I think he's either at 5 or 6 funded accounts now. And he can't listen to rules to save his life. I go over everything with him 1,000 times and he's still whatever. But he's gotten it now, so I'm very proud of him. It took him a long time. Yes, it works on futures. Your futures are nothing but SPX and NAS. That's all. Thank you, Jake Parker. It is unreal. I mean, what more? Look, there it is. I just showed you SPY, by the way. Yes. This is GBJPY. Same thing. This is NVIDIA. You want to know what NVIDIA is going to do? Well, geez, look at the fucking, here it is. Daily buy, pink line low. There's your thing. There's your buy stop. Let's go over the first time it did it. Right here is the first time. You can see the grouping, machine gun. Right? Look at it. Another one, machine gun. Over and over and over and over again. NVIDIA has been a buy. Here's Google. Yep, works on Google too. All stocks. Amazon, GBP, USD, name something. Even godforsaken shit, I don't even know what it is it works on. So yes, it works on anything you can chart on TradingView. Over 1,000 different symbols it works on. You're welcome, Xavier. Taking to the bus. Not sure what else folks need. My kiddos are getting, yeah, there you go, Andrew. Yeah, we have many members have bought this for their children, their brothers, their sisters. Stevie bought it for his wife. She didn't miss any trades. In the first 30 days, I think she was, the first 21 days, she was 21-0. She never lost a trade ever. And then she made $30,000 that she put down on a brand new Jeep. She's in the Discord, her testimony. So yeah, it works. Anything you can chart, by the way, let me be clear. I'm showing you what you should trade daily 1 hours. But does it work on 1 second? Gee, I don't know. Let's see if we can find something on 1 second. Let's see. We're going to find if it works. And I know how 1 second trading sounds to all you guys. Trust me, I know. 1 second trading is 100% impossible. I was taught you couldn't trade 5 minutes. I was taught for 5 years that you couldn't trade nothing but 15 minutes on up. Well, guess what? They were fucking wrong. Everybody that knows. Broken bot too. What side of here? Buy stop or sell stop? Everybody answer, please. What is this? Everybody please answer. Is this a buy stop? Listen to me close it off here then. Rapid. What's up, Rapid? Good morning. Bach break by. Correct, Sabi. Oh my God. Sabi. Yay. That is everyone else had the correct answer. Buy stop. It is a Bach break buy stop. Correct. Larry Cooper. Thank you, Larry. So there you go. This is a 1 second chart. So who was ever asking about scalping earlier? 1 second, I would never trade down here. The system works from 1 second. The system works to monthly. Name another system. Name anything. Anything fucking at all. This right here, green, red, green, buy stop. This is monthly Bitcoin. Monthly Bitcoin. Buy stop. That's how I was able to call it out back last year when it broke over here. This is a monthly buy stop. What about seconds? This is a second buy stop. What about monthly? This is a monthly buy stop. What about second? It works on every time frame in between monthly to 1 second. There ain't no other system that can make sense out of 1 second trades. Shit, I was shocked when I saw it. My mouth hit the floor. I was like, there ain't no fucking way this thing works on 1 second. Yep, it does. Fucking craziest shit on earth. Most amazing thing. That's why I give thanks to God. That buy stop on U.S. oil's in the money. Short term. 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute sell stops, US 30 NAS and SPX. They already made money at least twice. We watched it live. Then after that, buy stop, 30 minute, 1 hours. All right. TikTok, any questions before I go? Or positive comment? Anybody likes the system, you can speak up. Don't forget, we are extremely successful, thank God and God alone, for our stand ambassador ranking. We are senior stand ambassadors, which stands like a Shopify. We're one of their top people. We have 3 additional add-ons: H&H scanner, $50 a month, scanner rooms. I'm sorry, H&H scanner is free. The scanner rooms, the sniper add-on, the signal tiers, including Hydra. Okay. You should be recording this session. You should be rewatching this session at least 5-10 times a night. Jay Williams says good stuff. You're welcome, Jay. All right, I'm heading over to TikTok where I can talk more freely. See you guys. I'm heading over to TikTok. Heading over to YouTube. Sorry, the safety trade. Everybody on TikTok, have a great morning. God bless and good luck with your trading today. All right. YouTubers, any questions before I go? Any concerns? Any comments? Anything you want me to go over? I gave you a lot of free information in here. A lot of useful stuff. In order to learn my system, you have to unlearn. That's why I hope that Bluefish guy buys it. He doesn't have to unlearn everything. He can just start as, mastering it, learning and teaching it. Kevin, I don't want you upset anymore. I'm still learning. We're just how to use H&H. I understand it relates to Blue Line. I'm still getting lost. Yeah. Maros, instead of being lazy, go back and Google, go under YouTube right here. Type in H&H scanner. I would type in the rest, safety trade or some version of that, and then see what comes up. Here's one. Going over the brand new H&H scanner. H&H has been updated for free. Blue line H&H. So don't be lazy. I don't care about you upsetting me. I care about you not taking responsibility for your own trading and being lazy. That's what you do. Okay? All good. Just practice, practice, practice. Amen. There's multiple. Yes. Thank you, Matt. Have to go. Thank you. God bless you, Jan. Yeah, there's multiple Morrow's videos. Kevin Bree and company, the best hands down. Yes. Thank you all. God bless you all. Good luck with your training today. Hope you kick fucking ass. I don't think I have anything else. I'm good. All right. Don't forget, sell stops on the 3 indices, short-term, long-term buys until the US 31 hour. Don't forget, buy stop on US oil. All right. I'm going to run. See y'all. God bless.